What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. And as I have promised you, in this video I'm going to show you how you can flash a custom kernel. So what is a kernel? A kernel is a basic thing of a Android device or any device which connects hardware and software. So if it means that if you have a better kernel, then your hardware and software will work very smoothly, which means your device will run like a hell. So let's start. You can see this is my Android custom ROM, or you can say it is a custom ROM which is based on Android Marshmallow 6.0.1, which is also a new Android for some devices. The newest is the Nougat, but for some Marshmallow is new. So let's go to the settings. I will show you. This is my Android about device, and in about device you can see it is Resurrection Remix Custom ROM. This is device model G360H Samsung Galaxy Core Prime. This is Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow. Let's get back, and here it is the kernel version. You can see kernel 3.10.102, kernel Z, hashtag at the rate null labs, whatever it is. So now this will change, just keep in mind, just remember this kernel version and everything. I will change it with a custom kernel. So how to flash a custom kernel? If you didn't flash a custom kernel properly, then your device might be get hard bricked or even got into boot loop. So you must search for a custom kernel for your device model. You cannot install any custom kernel of any other device on your device, which it will cause you errors, which is also known as boot loop or maybe hard brick your device. So let's start. To find a perfect custom kernel recovery or ROM for your device, there is a very wonderful website on net which is known as XDA Developers. So just head over to that site, XDA Developers, and in XDA Developers you will find a search bar over there. Just tap in search bar and search your device name, which I will search. Just imagine I will search my device name Samsung Galaxy Core Prime G360H, and a page will appear which will list all ROMs, kernels, recoveries, whatever it is. So you have to download that custom ROM recovery from that website from your device and then flash it. After flashing a perfect or original custom kernels ROM recoveries for your device, you will not face problem any related to booting process like boot loop or any other process. So to install a custom kernel, there is one universal method using a custom recovery. You must have a custom recovery such as TWRP recovery or clockwork mode recovery. These two are the most famous recovery systems I have seen, but never used clockwork mode recovery, so I don't know what about it is. So clockwork mode is a button based recovery, custom recovery. TWRP is a touch based recovery. So first boot, I will show you where is my that custom kernel which I am going to flash, how it looks like. Just open your file manager and go to your device where it is external SD card. You can see here this is the some files, apps, and just go to the folder where you have downloaded or saved. I will have saved in the internal my external SD card, Android data, files, and this is my custom kernel where it is. I will show you. Wait a second for some minutes. You can see this is my kernel. No, this not this one, which is core kernel 3 version 3.2 zip. So flashing a custom kernels have its own advantages. You will get many advantages, like your device will support loop devices. You don't have to flash a whole new ROM which you don't like. So just flash a custom kernel and you will receive the boot loop devices support kernel, which is useful in running Linux operating systems. Like if you want to run Kali Linux, Debian, Ubuntu, Fedora, Arch Linux, any one of these you want to run, it requires a special thing like your device must support loop devices. So loop devices is only based on kernel. If your kernel supports loop devices, you will also get this. To how to get this loop devices on your kernel, I will upload a video. This is the only video. Just flash a custom kernel on your Android device, whether it is stock. Some kernels, custom kernels are also available for stock Android versions. So there is also a custom kernel for my stock Android. For this Samsung Galaxy Core Prime, the stock version is Android 4.4.4 Android. So that is the stock. I have taken a backup of that Android, and after that I have installed a custom kernel, which is custom ROM, which is this one, Resurrection Remix Marshmallow 6.0.1. So here we are again, and now there is one more thing I have forgotten to mention, that to do whole this process there are some requirements that I want you to follow. First one is your device must be rooted. Second one, if anything goes wrong with your device, like your device goes into boot loop, or it is get hard bricked, then I am not responsible for this, because you are doing for yourself only. I am not taking the responsibility. But don't worry, the process I am telling will have a very little chance of breaking, not breaking, have a very little chance of making your device into boot loop. So I have also made it a video that how to recover from boot loop if you face a problem after flashing the kernels using my process or any other process. You will search the whole net, you will receive this process only using TWRP recovery or a custom recovery. So if you facing a boot loop problem, just follow my that video, that how to recover from boot loop. You will find a video in the video section. If it is not there, I will upload within 1 or 2 days. So if after following this video or installing a custom ROM your device is not able to boot, so just follow that video to recover from boot loop. I have also told you, just download the current kernel versions for your Android device. So without wasting any time, I have speak a lot. Just boot to your recovery mode, which not so do just boot to your recovery mode. Wait a second, kernel is maximum about 20 MB file, not more than. Minimum is about 9 MB. The kernel which I have downloaded is only about 3 MB. You are wondering that kernel is very important thing in Android device. If this kernel will not be there, your Android is just like a brick. So just my device is in a recovery mode. Now I will install a custom custom kernel in front of you. I hope you are loving this video, and if you love, please like and subscribe to my channel, because that helps me a lot. And wait a second till I decrease the brightness. Yes, brightness has been decreased. This is my custom recovery, which is TWRP recovery. It looks like this. I have also uploaded a video on the review of this recovery, many videos related to the routing process. You can find a playlist in my videos which is named Android routing. Everything in that related to these things only: routing, recoveries, kernels, everything like that. So now let's click on this install button. Click on storage, where you have placed the downloaded custom kernel. I have placed in my external SD card. Just click micro SD card and tap OK. So here we are again. Just go to the folder where you have placed the zip file, and now here is the zip files. Yes, this is my kernel, which is custom kernel 3.2.0. So now I will just swipe it. You don't have to do anything like wipe or create or advanced swipe. You don't have to do anything. Just browse to that section, click on that zip, and just do swipe like this. The kernel has been installed. It will not take more than 1 minute. So you have seen I haven't skipped the video. So our kernel has installed. Now we will reboot our system to see that the kernel works with our device or not. If it works, you are good to go, and if it didn't work, your device might be got into boot loop. So as I already told you, I have uploaded a video how to recover from boot loop. Yes, or just watch that video if you are having boot loop problem. So this is my kernel, Android Samsung Galaxy Core Prime. This is the boot logo of Resurrection Remix. So very nice boot logo you are seeing, because boot logo is very nice. Yes, our device has opened now, and I hope you don't have any problems. So we have the custom kernel now in our device. So just get back, allow this Go to the settings, it is working very fine. I haven't seen very much change in the custom kernel. The one change I have flashed that kernel because the stock kernel which came with this resurrection remix was not support loop devices. So I flashed a custom kernel, and after flashing it will support loop devices. You can see kernel has been changed. The kernel was 3.10 point or something, and there was a net hail or something like that. It has been changed with the desktop because this is the custom kernel. And how to check that your device, yeah, that your custom kernel supports loop devices or not? Just download an app from Play Store which is known as this one. Wait a second. Yes, go to the external SD card. Here is the app, Linux deploy. Just install this app. It will not take 1 minute to install. Just wait till it installs. Yes, it has been installed. Just open this app and you can see updating environment. It will take some time, so don't worry. Yes, go to the status. Here it is, the status. Just tap here. What's happening? Wait a second, I think something is wrong. Okay, something went wrong over there. So you can also overclock and underclock your custom kernel, because overclocking and underclocking custom kernel is very safe, whether overclocking or underclocking your stock kernel. If you overclock or underclock stock kernel, then it may cause errors, but you overclock or underclock custom kernel, it will not work. Sorry, it will work very easily. I mean to say that overclocking a kernel or CPU is very what hard thing, because your device may crash a lot. But if you overclock CPU after flashing a custom kernel, it will not, what you can say, crash your device. So the crashing problem will be fixed by the custom kernel, so you can overclock the CPU whatever range you want. So this is the about device section. You can see here, this is Android version, this is kernel. Let's get back. I was showing you the Linux deploy app. So where it is? Yes, this one. Just tap here, just go to this dot, just go to status, just click on remember, allow, and you can see that my this kernel supports loop devices, because there is, yes, again, loop devices, Linux, yes, everything is very nice. So my custom kernel is working very fine in my device. I hope you love this video, and if you love, please like and subscribe to my channel, because that helps me a lot. And if you are having any problem related to this video or the extraction or the downloading part of the custom kernel, please let me know in the comment section. I'm telling you again, if you want to see what kernels, recoveries, or any ROMs which are available for your device, there is a very wonderful site, XDA developers. Just head over there, go to search bar, search your device with your whole number, and you will find the whole thing. So now I'm ending my video, and so I hope you don't have faced any problem. So till now, take care and bye bye. So I think nothing problem should be there. No, the device is not what you can say lagging at all, crashing at all, nothing else. The custom kernel is working very fine. Now you can install any Linux operating systems like Kali, Fedora, Arch Linux, Ubuntu, Debian, or whatever they are. So just close this. Let's close the video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching all my videos. For my supporters who are supporting me, because I'm just a new buyer like you. So bye bye guys, enjoy, have a nice day.